Here we are.
Baby hasn't come yet. So we're just waiting around. Thought we might make a video about going over one of my last Korean tests with Cohen.
Super fun.
So here we go. I'm learning, my Korean's not very good. Alright, so this was the test I took, I think a week ago.
It must have been. I mean, it's from November.
Yeah.
Who's
Ship이wo 시험. 이름, I got my 이름 right.
Is it?
조수틴.
Is that how your teacher told you to write it?
로부트.
Robert Joseph.
Okay, so the first question was 이 사람의 기분은 어떻습니까? And then it says 오늘 시험이 있는데 어제 친구를 만나서 놀았습니다. So he was surprised.
놀았습니다.
He shoot my Chris. Since he met his friend
And
played. Oh, regret. So he feels regret.
Yeah.
What's 놀았습니다 again?
Played.
Oh, played. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. 노다. How do you say surprised?
놀랐습니다.
놀랐습니다. Okay. So this one I got right though.
What was the first question that you tried to answer?
The first one I answered was 슬프다. What is that?
Sad.
So close. But I changed it last minute because just based off my gut, my intuition, I was like, it's probably 후회가 되다. 후회가 되다. Okay, then the next one was 아래 단어와 관련된 단어를 고르세요. And then it says in English, find a related word. So the four words they gave me were 사탕, chocolate, cool, and 소탕. The only one I knew was chocolate. So this one I totally guessed on. I had no idea. I don't know why I even chose this one because I knew chocolate.
Was it?
But I didn't know what the rest of them were. That's probably why. But there was 맵다, 달다, 짜다, and 싱겁다. And I chose 맵다.
사탕.
It was supposed to be 달다. Okay, number 3. 아래 단어는 어느 계절입니까? 계절입니까? 장마가 시작되다, 태풍이 오다, 습도가 높다.
Did you guess?
Oh, 여름. Okay, then it was 봄, 여름, 가을, and 겨울. 겨울 is winter, 여름 is summer, 봄 is spring, 가을 is autumn, I guess. So 장마가 시작되다, typhoon 오다, typhoon comes. Is that
Yeah.
typhoon?
Yeah, it's like all monsoony stuff.
습도가 높다.
Humidity.
Yeah, 장마가. Probably maybe from typhoon. I just guessed 여름.
Typhoon?
Because 습도가 I did it know. 장마가 시작되다.
Changma's like rains.
Okay,
yeah.
so that was a guess.
What's this?
어려워요.
You just wrote that down in the middle of your test.
No, at the end he was like, write down which pages were hard.
Oh.
This one was hard. Maybe let's just look at the ones I got wrong. 이 사람은 어디가 아픕니까? 이 사람은 어디가 아픕니까? 아픕니까? So this person where 아픕니까? What's 아픕니까?
Or are they sick, or where do they hurt?
Are they sick? Okay, 둘이 왜 이렇게 밥을 안 먹어? 입맛이 없어? 조나탄 어제 친구를 만났는데 술을 너무 많이 마셔서 화장실에 자주 가. 그래서 입맛이 없어. And I wrote 몸살이 나다.
Mom's had is like flu.
다리를 다지다 소화가 안 되다 배탈이 나다. 배탈이 나다?
배탈이 나다. Stomachache.
Really? Oh, 배탈이 나다. It's not battery? I thought it was battery for sure.
Are these people in your class truly and Jonathan?
Yeah. 다리를 다지다 소화가. Which one is it? I don't even know.
I think it's 소화가 안 되다, but it might also be 배탈이 나다. Because soa is like indigestion. But she says, 왜 이렇게 밥을, like, why aren't you eating?
It's because you drank a lot.
Oh, but is that indigestion or is it stomachache?
Oh, I don't know. Stomachache, I guess? Huh. Well, that was hard. Whoa, look at all those ones I got right.
Ooh.
What happened to this one?
Oh no.
어느 시험 지난 시험 쉽다. 쉬워요? I wrote 어느 시험 안 쉬운데 지난 시험 못 봐요.
The test today isn't easy, but the last test I couldn't take.
I guess. Justin Justin baby shower. 가다 재밌다 사람 만나다. I said Justin baby shower 때 Justin 행복 할 거예요.
I mean, I don't think the sentence is like wrong. I guess it's just not the.
I didn't use enough of the words.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Is it the words things or were you supposed to use those conjugations?
I don't know. Maybe 3 I was supposed to ulte, I thought. That's what it was supposed to do. But I wasn't really sure. Kada? Was I gonna go somewhere?
Justin baby shower 갔을 때.
Oh, baby shower.
Yeah.
I thought it was like, I thought it was a Korean word for like when the baby's born. I didn't think he was talking about the baby shower. That's funny. 갔는데. Oh, maybe that was what it was supposed to be, like baby Justin, baby shower.
갔을 때.
갔을 때.
재밌었다 or something.
Yeah.
사람들 만났다. 사람들 많이 만났다.
Yeah. Okay, that makes more sense. I just didn't know. It's the problem with Korean. So many English words that don't sound like English, and you never know.
Shower.
배터리? That sounds like battery.
Wait, what was it?
배터리.
Oh, 배탈.
배탈. 아오지다. 어느 저요?
저요?
어느 줬어요. 추워요. 어느 추워요.
추워요.
어느 추워졌어요. He just probably didn't understand what I was trying to write. Okay, and then this one. Oh, I was supposed to fill in the blanks.
Yeah.
Oh, that was
Oh,
it.
that was such a short test.
Yeah, it wasn't that long.
Oh. You took it in class?
Yeah. Well, that was it.
Good job.
Thanks, that was hard.
You did better than half.
Korean's still really hard. I'm learning slowly but surely. I got 52% on this one. It's not accredited, so it's okay. You proud of me?
I'm so proud of you. Good job.
Thanks.
At least you didn't get a 50%.
Yeah, it wasn't 50.